Hello guys, in this video I would like to share the TBS Source 2 files that I have modified with you guys. So let's go ahead and see the first one that I have made a little bit modification on the top plate here. Here you can see that the point is that I want a stronger top plate. I usually got cracks at around the middle of the top plate here. As you can see here, there is one crack here, there's another crack here. And for another example, this is the fiberglass coated top plate, which is just another effort to increase the strength of the top plate, but eventually it cracks here. So they have been through many hard crashes, that's why they crack. However, I would like a stronger top plate, so I redesigned it in the way that I have beefed up area around this, because I use a micro or nano camera, so I do not need a wider slot around here. And I also eliminate the 4 slots here that I do not use. I eliminate them and I add 8 holes here. They are 2mm width. I use them to insert the zip tie in order to attach the 3D print file onto the top plate like this. Yeah, oh no, not this side. This side is much easier to see here. I insert them, the zip tie, into the holes I have made. And I also increase the width of the top plate by 2mm totally, 1mm on each side here. As you can see here, it is 2mm wider than the original design. And for the design itself, that's it. I also choose a thicker carbon fiber plate here, so I choose 2.5mm thick instead of only 2mm thick of the original design. Okay, that is the top plate. If you want a stronger top plate but you are lazy to redesign the STL file, so I will put the file in the video description for you. And that is the first one. Move on to the second modification I have made. This is the 6-inch arm of the TBS Source 2. There are I'm pretty sure that there are 6-inch arm design around, and however I have modified it further a little bit. As you can see here, I have reduced the meat at the edge of the arm because I think that's the original design. The meat around here is too much, so I reduced them to around here to be like this. And I also decreased the width of the arm because for 6-inch arm I am going to use a thicker carbon fiber plate anyway. Here, this is 5mm arm, this is 4mm arm, so I'm going to use a thicker carbon fiber, so I think I can reduce the width a little bit, but just a little bit that I have reduced. As you can see here, it's just 0.5mm narrower than the original design. Yeah, 0.5mm narrower than the original design. So basically that is all that I have made in the 6-inch arm design of the TBS Source 2 file. And then move on to the braces for 6-inch arm design. This is the brace. These are the braces for the 6-inch arm design. So there are 2 types. I will bring the frame. I will bring the frame in the view here. This is the 6-inch arm TBS Source 2 that I have made. Okay, I use the brace here. The longer one used like this, and the shorter one will be inserted onto it, the frame like this, and they are matched without any problem. Okay, here this is the TBS Source 2 6-inch. Okay, let's move on to the other files that I will share with you guys. Here is the first file that I have. I will put it in the video description so that you just don't have to search around in the internet. They are free for you to acquire anyway, but if you watch this video and just go to the video description, you will get them in a faster way. So this is for GoPro 5, 6 or 7 at 35-degree angle. 35-degree angle will make sure that you will not get the propellers in the view of the GoPro. And there is another 3D print file here, the same design, but it is at 45-degree angle, up tilt. Another one here. I do not own the design because I asked a shop to design it for me, so unfortunately I do not have this STL file for the GoPro Naked 6 on the top plate of the Source 2 frame. Another design that I have is here. It is a universal GoPro mount style for TBS Source 2 frame. Just the red part, okay? And another one is here. This is a 30-degree up tilt for flat surface. You will have a lot of flat surface. And also I have designed the column here to be more streamlined to the wind, more aerodynamic here. However, I don't know whether it is how good it is in terms of aerodynamic, but just to show you that all the files that has been decided for TBS Source 2 can be used with the modified top plate I have made as well here and here, just to show you it is perfectly matched like that. Okay, the width that has been increased is not a problem at all. Okay, and just to wrap it up, I hope you guys happy flying with the TBS Source 2 frame you have. So sign off here. Thank you and see you again next video. Bye bye.